It's Chris Akoya and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, I post video updates on how you can make money online. So in today's video tutorial, I'm going to go straight to teaching you how to earn the LAZIO token, a new Binance Launchpad project. So follow me. For you to be able to participate in this, you need a Binance account. So if you don't have a Binance account yet, go to the description of this video and sign up with the link. So the next thing you need to do after you've signed up and you've verified your account is to come to Launchpad on the Binance app. So once you download the Binance app, come to this Launchpad to know details about the token. So once you click on Launchpad, it is going to load and it is going to show you projects that are currently available on Launchpad and also projects that are expired. So once it opens, you would see this particular token called Earn Lazio. If you scroll down, you see some other projects like Mbox and different other ones that are already completed. So what I want to show you is the Launchpad for LAZIO Fan Token. If you take a look at this, the time left for subscription is just 7 days, but in a matter of minutes it is going to start. So let me click on view more so you can know more about this particular token. So you can see the token that is going to be offered is just 4 million LAZIO token and the sale price is $1 for 1 LAZIO token. Let me click on it to dive more into details. So right now, as you can see, the ad cap per user is 20,000 USD, which is the same as 20,000 LAZIO token. So if I scroll down, you would see the subscription timeline. To participate, your daily average BNB holding across all accounts will be tallied. So what this means is you will be needing BNB. So if you don't have BNB right now, all you need to do is to go back home right here. Once you signed up, if you are in Nigeria currently or in a country where cryptocurrency has been banned, just click on P2P trading. So once you click on P2P trading here, you click on it. Once you click on P2P, you would see buy right here. So once you click on buy, the next thing you need to do is to click on BNB. So once you click on BNB, it's straightforward. Look for a seller that has about 90% completion rates and a seller that has more trades right here, about 500 or more. So right here, this person wants to sell, then I click on the particular person. I'm paying fiat. Fiat is your native currency. So let's say I want to buy 100,000 naira worth of BNB. You can see the notification I'm getting here is maximum quantity is 6,445 right here. So what you are going to do is you go back, then you click on this particular button here, this button ellipsis. Once you click on it, you can see things. Okay, you click on this filter button, not that. You click on this filter button right here. So once you click on the filter button, you input the amount you want to buy, 100,000. Then you click on bank transfer if you want to pay through bank transfer. So once you do that, you click on yes. So it's going to filter the trades. So you can see someone right here that wants to sell, 99% completion rate, 2,000 plus trades. So you click on it, then you input the amount. You can see once you input the amount here, then all you need to do is to click on buy BNB. So once you click on buy BNB, they are going to direct you to pay the amount to the person's account. Once you pay to the person's account and the person verifies, the person is going to, Binance is going to release the coin from this person's account. So that is how to get BNB if you are from a country that does not accept that has banned BTC or cryptocurrency trading. So if you are actually from a country that hasn't banned cryptocurrency, you can just go ahead to buy by clicking on trades right here. So you can see trades, you click on trades right here. So once you click on trades, you come to sports. You see sport at the top, so click on sport. Once you click on sport there, then click on this particular button, which is the currency pair, the pair here. So you click on BNB. Once you click on BNB USDT, so you must have funded your account. You must have funded your account with USDT, probably with your card or your bank. So once you do that, you come here, you input what you want to buy, you set your limits, you set this particular limit, turn it to market. So once you turn it to market, you input, you come here to the total number of this thing you want to buy here, then input the number of USDT, like the worth of BNB you want to buy. So let me say I want to buy $500 worth of BNB. Once I do that, then I click on buy. Currently I don't have USDT, I have BNB. So once you click on buy, the money moves to your sports wallet. So that is that about buying. So once you buy your BNB, then you can get access to this particular cryptocurrency, this particular token. So you can see it says get your BNB ready to participate. So the subscription period is on the 21st of this month, and the calculation period is on the 21st of this month. Then the final token distribution will be on the 21st of this month. You can see details about the coins on here. I will drop a link in the description below that is going to take you to articles about this particular cryptocurrency. It is a fan token. We have PSG fan token, Juventus fan token, but this is a way to earn this particular token for free. So all you need to do is to get BNB in your account. Once you get BNB in your account, your average holding, you would see it. Once you buy it the way I explained, then you are good to go. So it's going to start on the 14th. That is, I'm recording this video on the 14th at 12 a.m. exactly 12 a.m. So once you see this, please take action immediately. So that's how to earn the SS LAZIO Fan Token, which is priced at $1 to 1 LAZIO token. If this particular video has been of help to you, please don't forget to drop a like on this video, share to your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It really helps us a lot. Then if you want to see updates early, ensure that you turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.